I've been making green smoothies now for years. Ever since I started having gut health problems, these really helped to change more than anything else that I tried. And that's because with green smoothies, you're absorbing all these amazing plant-based phytonutrients, and you absorb them blended in a way that you wouldn't be able to otherwise get when chewing. So they really help with cellular healing on a whole new level. So having a daily green smoothie is not only going to help improve your cellular health, but it's also going to help with weight loss. Hemp hearts are a great natural source of protein, and I also add plant-based protein. And here I'm adding my secret ingredient, which is Irish sea moss. I absolutely love Irish sea moss. You're going to notice a change right away. You're going to start looking younger. It also improves your thyroid function, and it helps with joint pain and arthritis pain. It helps to reduce mucus and to grow long hair and nails. I just soak mine in water so that it's ready to grab and put a little bit into those smoothies, and you can't even taste them. Incorporating chia seeds and flax seeds to your green smoothies are an amazing boost of omega-3s, which are going to help reduce your overall inflammatory response in your body. And when your inflammatory response goes down, all of your cellular function improves and goes up, and everything starts to function better, work better, including having amazing radiant skin, as well as a flatter and leaner tummy. Now you can mix and match with different fruits that you like, but really try to incorporate all of these superfoods and seeds. But I like the berries because they have the most antioxidants, really, other than any other fruit. So you guys, this is my daily green smoothie. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I hope you try this. And remember, have one every single day for improved weight loss, improved gut health, and to grow longer hair and to feel and look amazing.